Hi, welcome. Today we're making a bright, energizing Moringa superfood smoothie. Quick, nutrient-dense, and totally global. Let's get started. You'll need 1 ripe banana, half a cup of mango or pineapple, 1 cup of coconut water or almond milk. Use 1 level teaspoon of Moringa powder. Skip fresh leaves entirely. A teaspoon of honey if you like it sweet, and a few ice cubes. Optional, a tablespoon of chia or oats for extra texture. First, peel and slice your banana into 1 centimeter pieces. If your mango or pineapple isn't pre-cut, chop into roughly 2 centimeters chunks. Smaller pieces blend smoother. Using powder only today, measure 1 level teaspoon. For the smoothest blend, pre-mix the powder with 1 tablespoon of your liquid to make a thin slurry. Stir until lump-free. If you're using Moringa powder, level 1 teaspoon on the spoon. For a silky mix, stir the powder into 1 tablespoon of your liquid to make a thin slurry. This prevents clumps. Order matters for a smooth blend. Pour the liquid first, 1 cup of coconut water or almond milk. Add the banana slices, then the mango or pineapple chunks. Next, add your Moringa slurry into the blender. If you're using honey or yogurt, add them now. Finally, add the ice on top. Don't overfill. Leave about 1/3 headspace. Cap the blender securely. Start with 1 level teaspoon of Moringa powder. That gives a noticeable green boost without bitterness. If you find the flavor strong, reduce to 1/2 teaspoon next time. Powder intensity varies by brand. Start light, then adjust to taste. If you want it sweeter, add 1/2 teaspoon of honey, taste, then adjust. If using sensitive stomachs or first time trying Moringa, start with 1/2 teaspoon and increase slowly on later days. Blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds. After about 20-25 seconds, stop, remove the lid, or use tamper. Scrape the sides with a spoon if needed, then continue for the final 10 to 20 seconds. Texture check. Spoon a small amount. If it's too thick, add 2-3 tablespoons more liquid and blend 5-10 seconds. Too thin, add another small frozen banana piece or a tablespoon of oats and blend 10-15 seconds. If you see clumps of Moringa powder, blend a little longer or pulse until smooth. Always keep the lid on while blending. Pour into a tall glass. Garnish with a thin fruit slice on the rim and a light sprinkle of chia seeds or a tiny dusting of Moringa powder on top. Serve immediately for best color and nutrients. Enjoy your Moringa superfood smoothie. Quick, fresh, and full of goodness. If you liked this, please like, subscribe, and share.